Okay, now we're currently connecting the neck onto the duct, which is attached to the grill. As you can see, you need to pull the duct over the neck securely. Make sure it's firmly on there so that it doesn't blow off in the future. Just take your time, pull it right up. Then wrap the duct tape around 3 times on the internal layer, ensuring that half of the duct tape is on the plastic and the other half, or at least a quarter, is on the plastic and the rest of it is on the duct. If it's all wrapped onto the duct, then it doesn't securely sit onto the neck. Then pull the outer sleeve up and make sure that you pull up the insulation so that you don't get condensation around your duct joints. This is very important. Then wrap your duct around 3 times again, and you have a very secure connection to the neck for your grill. Now you do this you attach the necks onto all of the 10-inch ducts that you have been provided with. That's one of the first steps you take when doing your installation. And it'll go click. We are now measuring up your return air grill. Ensure you have safety glasses when doing this, because cutting out gyprock generates a lot of dust, and that dust can end up in your eyes. Remember, safety first all the time. We take a lot of time and a lot of care making sure that it's the correct size before we cut it. Measure 3 times and cut once. Have a look up in the top roof, make sure there's no plumbing pipes above there or electrical cables before you commence cutting. Now we're just cutting the return air out. Just take your time. And a very, very important thing to do with your return air is to support the gyprock all the time. Because it's such a large piece of gyprock, there's a lot of weight in it. And if you don't support it when you've cut at least 2/3 of it, there's a good chance that it will fall down before you finish cutting and tear your gyprock in your ceiling. Now we're just rebalancing ourselves, reconfiguring the ladder so that you don't overbalance. You don't want to be falling off a ladder when you're doing this job. See all the dust coming down? Make sure you go to Bunnings or somewhere and grab 10 drop sheets, those plastic ones. They're only $2 or $3 each. Lay them all around your floor to ensure that you don't have dust everywhere in your home when you finish this installation. See how he's supporting it with his hand in the center? It's a little bit of hard yakka. Now he's nearly done finishing it, but he's taking a lot of care supporting that gyprock now. Just that little corner in the edge that he had there to help support the weight. And now take it down, you have your return air cut.